In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a private discount offer to potential customers on eBay. This is a great way to give your sales a gentle nudge in the right direction by personally reaching out to those keeping an eye on your listings. It's easy, effective, and only takes a few minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access your seller account so you can seamlessly follow the next steps. Once you're logged in, head over to the My eBay area. You're looking for the selling section, which is where you manage all your sales activities. This is your control panel for everything related to the items you have listed on eBay. Now navigate to the listings tab and click on active. This helps you find all the items you currently have up for sale. It's crucial to make sure these are up to date and present accurately to your watchers, as these listings will form the basis of your offers. From there, you need to identify which of your current listings have watchers. These are potential buyers who are interested in your item, keeping a close eye on it, perhaps waiting for the right price or moment to make their move. With the listings in sight, select one or even several that you would like to make an offer on. Once selected, look for the Send Offers button and give it a click. This button is the gateway to your sales outreach toolkit. Tailoring your offer is simple. Enter the price you are willing to offer those interested. Make it enticing enough to spark their interest, but also ensure it makes business sense for you. There are some additional options you can explore. You might see checkboxes allowing counter offers or offering to automatically send future offers. These settings can give you added flexibility, so consider your strategy and choose what suits your sales goals best. If you wish, you can also include a personal message to your potential buyers. This is an excellent opportunity to add a friendly note or highlight the unique aspects of your listing, making it really stand out. And just like that, with a click on Send Offers, your potential buyers will receive your special offer message. This direct approach not only brings attention to your listing, but also shows your enthusiasm and commitment to finding a deal that works for both you and your customer. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to engage potential buyers with a personal touch. Implementing this strategy can boost your sales efforts and help you convert casual interest into confirmations. I hope this guide empowers you to leverage eBay's platform to its fullest. Thank you for watching and happy selling.